All right, so today on FNS we are doing the clutch master and the clutch slave.
Yes.
Because the clutch isn't engaging.
No, it just slams all the way to the floor, or you can pull it all the way up, but it does nothing in between.
So the fact that it comes back up and sticks all the way up kind of makes us believe that it isn't anything wrong with the actual clutch or anything. So it's probably we're assuming it's the actual cylinders and not the wire or anything like that.
I'm willing to bet that the slave cylinder is rusted to fuck.
Yeah, it probably is. It's been in the ground for so long.
When you pull something out of the woods and it's floating on the sand and the dirt and the whatever, it's gonna be rusty.
So we're gonna get that in. It's gonna be done real quick. And
You sure?
Yeah, it'll be done real quick.
I don't know.
20 minutes tops.
All right. Oh, yeah, probably 20 minutes. I'm pretty good at this stuff, so 20 minutes.
So we'll be able to get that. We also have the brake master cylinder come in. So we're gonna do those because there is no brakes.
No brakes.
And in order to do wheelies, we need brakes.
Flintstone brakes. What happens with brakes like this is Dad stands in front of the car and grabs it and stops it.
Like Superman's that stuff. So we're gonna get that done out today.
Two things done, one day.
That means
Hit the subscribe button.
yeah, hit the subscribe button wherever it's gonna be put. Maybe right there. I think it's gonna be put right there.
On my face?
On your face.
Look at my face, it's so pretty.
It's gonna be put right there.
I don't know about that.
No, on my face.
I don't think we should cover up either one of our faces.
That's gonna be put on one of our faces.
No.
The editor gets to decide though. He decides our fate. Alright. We're gonna cut to it.
To work.
Alright, so this is day 3. And today the main objective really is to see if we can get the clutch working. And because of the symptoms and what I've looked up, I think it's the master cylinder. So I've got a new one over there. And so right now I'm just gonna see if I can take this out. It's being a little finicky. That bolt's being weird. So we're gonna see how it comes out.
So we got one off. I got one off. But the other one
Is super strict. So
you know in Fast and Furious when they're talking about if you can't find a tool in this garage, you don't deserve to be anywhere near a car? My fucking garage is not that. Always buying fucking tools. Ah!
okay, so here is the old master cylinder. It's probably the original.
Yeah.
It's very fucked. Ooh. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. And then here's the slave. Yeah, that's
It's like an Atari joystick. We're gonna take the boot off and see what it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Totally fucked.
Yeah.
The cylinder is completely rust welded. So, no wonder why the goddamn thing wouldn't move. That's the old one. In all reality, if we put some time into this, we probably could rebuild it. Why
It's
do that?
$14.
At AutoZone.
So we got a new master cylinder in there.
Master cylinder.
Yeah, that. Those bolts. Pain in the dickens. So you gotta undo those bolts. And then there's a pin up in there that you should have to pull out to get it released from the clutch. We got that going. And then we started to bleed them.
Alright. Now take the parking brake off.
Alright, so today we are working on the brake master cylinder. The one that we have is absolutely roasted. Get this up for you. Yeah, so that's completely corroded. We probably are gonna have to replace the master or the brake booster too, but we can't find that right now. So right now we're just gonna do the brakes And I mean, honestly, if that works, that works. So that's gonna be working on today. So we ended up, someone, I'm not gonna name names, decided to decided to strip the hell out of this. It's very smooth right now. So we ended up having to get the other end out. We're gonna try to grab some vice grips, throw it on there, and just rip that thing out and get a new line. But very hard to tell in there, but it is completely destroyed. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, that's gone. We're gonna get that out. We're gonna get rid of this. So I'm on my way back to fucking AutoZone again because of this being stripped. We're just gonna fucking get a piece like that and get rid of that because that is completely fucking stripped. So hopefully I can just get out moving fine. Hopefully. So we got it back on there. It's on, it's on there pretty good. But now we have to bend the new pipe to where it fits underneath here, and there's also a heat shield that's going to be here that we have to been painted. Well, kind of, it's been primed, but so, and then we'll put the old one back on, put the reservoirs back on, put some fluid in it, and then wheelies for days, baby. All right, so we just fixed the issue with the cap. We're gonna need new wires.
Spark plug wire dilemma is fixed.
So, and the brakes in the front are brand new. We no longer, like, they're fucking brand new. So now we're just gonna drive it. We're gonna throw the wheels on. Yeah, wheelies. We're gonna throw the wheels on. It went all the way, we tested it in the air, went all the way through fifth, no problem. Reversed, like it never even happened. So we're just gonna throw all the wheels on and it'll be driving out that door in about half an hour. I don't think that's supposed to happen.
Like what determined motherfucking months you get?
They hopped up when you sat in it.
One very important thing missing.
Oh, it's not there? Uh-oh. Rubber raggy. I think it's in my pocket. Dude, it started right up when we got everything working on it, so. Now it's not going to, but. Like there ain't nothing to it. Ah! All right. Fucking hell.
Power speed, no power speed.
Yeah, I thought that was. You got all day over here.
See shit behind me. Tell me what I got.
No one behind you.